Hi and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to see projectile motion. Most importantly, we are going to see how the initial velocity of a projectile can affect all the trajectory this object takes. So here we have a cannon, a red cannon, and we are going to try with a golf ball. We're going to set the initial speed to 15 meters per second, and we're going to adjust the cannon so it has a 50-degree angle. We're going to fire it, and we see the blue line, it's the trajectory our golf ball is following. This happens without air resistance and with gravity affecting on the course of the golf ball. That's why it's a curve. So the golf ball has an initial velocity that it shoots right up to the sky, but gravity grabs it and tends to pull it down. So that's why it's a curve, a parabola, no? So now we're going to see what happens if we take the cannon and put it more in a more pronounced angle, 75 degrees. We're going to try and hit the target right here. And we did it with an initial speed of 15 meters per second and an angle of 75 degrees. We can hit the target that's 15 meters away. So we can use now the eraser. We're going to put this off, and we're going to try the same angle, but now with air resistance. So we fire it, and we see that air has as it says, a resistance to the motion that our golf ball can follow the trajectory of our golf ball. And now we didn't hit the target, so we will need a more pronounced, a less pronounced angle if we want to hit the target with the same initial velocity. We will try with 65, and we passed. Well, let's try 70 degrees with air resistance. We almost hit it, but it wasn't enough. Now we're going to try to elevate the velocity, the initial velocity, and we see that with 20 meters per second, the ball got way further. So we're going to lower it to 10 meters per second. Let's see how it does. And it didn't even went. Well, we're going to take out air resistance and see how it performs. A little bit further we see, but not enough. So overall, the trajectory of our golf ball will be affected by the initial velocity it launches, and the gravity, and the air resistance that can encounter. So we can see that, for example, here at its maximum point in the blue line, well, I'm going to erase it and fire it again. The maximum point here, we have a time of 0.96 seconds and a height of 14.5 meters. It's maximum height. But with air resistance, it changes, and now it's a maximum height of 14.41 meters. So air resistance is slowing down our golf ball. And also, if we took like a pumpkin and fire it, we see that we get almost the same trajectory of our golf ball, just a little bit closer to the cannon, no? Because the pong pin is larger than the golf ball, so it slows down more. Well, with that in mind, we can see that, well, in our everyday life, we have objects that that are thrown, and that everything in our world affects that object. Well, thanks for watching. See you in the next time.